It's that time of the year again, but this time we'll be live at 042 the Coal City. The Ophthalmological Society of Nigeria, OSN, holds her 48th Annual Scientific Conference and 49th Annual General Meeting at Enugu. This year's theme is the evolving face of ophthalmology. It promises to be packed with knowledge and, of course, a variety of mouth-watering special delicacies, both local and continental. We are dedicated to providing a well-balanced menu for all our sections: tea break, breakfast, lunch, and gala night. We've got you covered. Our gala nights will keep you on your toes, fully packed with entertainment and tasty meals. You'll never know what blessing awaits your taste buds. Come and enjoy our rich culture and delicacies firsthand. Enjoy our meals, don't bite your fingers off. Wow, yummy, colorful. And tasty. OSN COALCITY is a must attend. Block the date, 4th to 6th September, Enugu COALCITY 2024, Ebeano. Be there.